Hey everyone, and welcome to our math lesson for today, June 22nd. In this lesson, what we are going to do is it's going to be fairly easy, but it's super important. We are going to be skip counting by 2, okay? So, first, I'm going to show you our normal hundreds chart. Let me get it on the frame here. So we have our hundreds chart here that we're going to use a couple of times, but I just want to make sure that you're looking at it. So when we're counting by twos, we start counting not at 1, but at 2, okay? So when we count by twos, we count every other number. So for example, it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, okay? So as you can see, this is called skip counting because we are skipping numbers. So let's try and count up to 20 by just twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. All right, so now go ahead and try skip counting this number line that we have right here. Ready? Very good. And as you remember, in math, there's always patterns, right? We see patterns means we see some things that are the same, right? Some things are different, but some things are also the same. So here we see that when we count by twos after 10, it goes to 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So what do you see in common between 2 and 12? How about 4 and 14? What do you see that is the same? How about 6 and 16? That's right, they have the same number in the ones place, right? Because remember, the 2 is in the ones place. The 4 and the 6 are also in the ones place. There's no tens place here, right? Because they are less than 10. So they have to be just in the ones place. And as we see here, guess what? When we skip count, either the numbers are going to, when we skip count by twos, either the numbers are going to end in 2, they're going to end in 4, 6, 8, or 0, which stands for all of the tens, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and so on. All right, so hopefully here is a guide that is a little bit helpful. So when you're skip counting by twos, what I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and skip the numbers that are in light gray, okay? So you're going to go ahead and count the numbers that are black, such as 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So let's go ahead and try, I'll let you go ahead and try that on your own up to 50. Got it? Ready? Get set. Go. 10, 20, 30, 32, 40, very good. Awesome. All right. So now I'm going to go ahead and let you try it on your own from 52 to 100. Ready? 52, 58, 60. Yay! Very good. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and post this chart on Google Classroom so that you can practice skip counting by twos. Alright, and now you are going to get a chance to count by twos on your own. Ready? Get set, go! Alright, great job. Alright, everyone, so as usual, I found a game on ABC that has to do with skip counting by twos. Have to lower the volume on this. Actually, might have to mute it. There we go. So, anyway, you go ahead and click on the that you want to count by twos. And this is a little confusing at first, but what you're trying to do is that you're trying to burst the bubble depending on which order it goes. So 4 would come up here, right? Because it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. So you're trying to burst the bubble so that it falls right on the chest, right? And it's really, really hard at first. Let's see if I can get that too. There we go. So let me show you what happens when you accidentally click too early or too late. Yep, there's a little shark here that comes after your number. So let's see if we could do that one. There we go. Oh, nope, that was wrong. Because it should have been 8, 10, 12, 14. So 14 should have been here. So what I recommend is that you go in order first, right? Because this is quite a bit. So you wanna go in order 2, 4, 6, 8, and so now you're looking for a 10. And you're waiting for that 10 to go all the way over here. Nope, that was too early. See, that's what happens. So now I have to wait for 10 again, and it'll come over here in a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and link this game on the YouTube description as well, and I'll also put it on Google Classrooms. Alright, I hope you enjoyed our lesson today, and I will see you next time.